Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacy Sturino from Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill. And in this video, I'm going to show you what our multiple award-winning ice cream stand goes through to create our hot-selling Easter cross cake. So, make sure you hit that like button if you're excited, and be sure to subscribe to get a helping of our delicious videos every single week. But before I dive in, if you're looking for all of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry, as either a consumer or a business, even if you're never going to come by to visit Joe's in person, you definitely want to sign up for our Sunday Inside Scoop. Plus, if you are going to see us, you'll want to pick up your instant coupon too. Good for your next visit. You can register for both simultaneously by clicking on the link below this video. The Easter cross cake is part of the suite of cakes that have worked to make us a local legend at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill. And do you know why we can make our Easter cross cake so well that people line up around the block for it and other cakes like it? We've been featured in places like the Wall Street Journal and ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox News, and more. I said we're a multiple award-winning ice cream stand, so that's where the fresh foundation starts. We've got soft serve that has the highest butterfat content around, and that makes a huge difference. We spread that precious product out in a frozen mold of your choice. And we have many more choices than just round or one size of round mold. You tell us what you want and we'll make it up. There's no limit to what your Easter cross cake, or really any of our cakes, can look like. You could have chocolate cake crunch in the middle, but it's not the only option available to you. There may be an upcharge for certain cake middles, such as any of our ice cream toppings, or things like chocolate or vanilla pudding, or cannoli cream, made fresh and in-house. But if you want it, within reason, you can have it. Most commonly, after the middle is installed in the Easter cross cake, we will then place another layer of soft serve on top. But you could have baked cake too, or you could have hard ice cream. Why wouldn't you? We have only nearly 40 flavors of hard ice cream. Baked cake and hard ice cream cakes would involve an upcharge, since either of those options involve more labor and time to make. We here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill are blessed to have a designer dessert department that, amongst other things, will decorate your Easter cross cake for you. You can have your cake decked out in luster dust, edible glitter, have additional messages written on it, and more. We love doing work like this because you're our JDB family, and it saves you time while providing you with over-the-top food and desserts and cakes for over-the-top memories with the ones you love, not just during the holidays, but all year long. Now you know the steps we here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill have to take when creating an Easter cross cake. And there were probably way more possibilities than you would have thought, right? But do you have a way to save big once you come by to visit us? No problem. I've got a cool discount for you, and you'll also get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry. Click the link in the description below to get your savings, sneak peeks into the ice cream world, and more right now. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, over-the-top food for over-the-top memories. Come by and make some of your best over-the-top memories with us.